Why I Learned Yoruba for 7 Doors. Nollywood actress speak up. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. Nollywood actress CHIOMA CHUKWUKA has gained a lot of attention for her role as Queen Amaka in the Netflix series 7 Doors. To bring her character to life, she took on the challenge of learning Yoruba, a language she didn't know before. In an interview, CHIOMA said, "I had to learn Yoruba for my role in 7 Doors. It wasn't the usual Yoruba spoken in Lagos, so I had to focus on getting the tone just right." 7 Doors, which premiered on Netflix on December 13, 2024, has been praised for its interesting story and great acting. The show explores themes like royalty, family, love, betrayal, and making amends in the fictional Ilara kingdom. CHIOMA's character, Queen Amaka, is an Igbo queen married to a Yoruba king, which added cultural challenges to her role and made learning the language even more important. The series has an impressive cast, including Femi Adebayo Salami, Jide Kosoko, and other Nollywood legends. Femi Adebayo, who also produced the show, has been praised for creating a story rich in culture that appeals to both local and international audiences. Critics have called 7 Doors a masterpiece that keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. CHIOMA's hard work in learning Yoruba for the role has earned her a lot of praise. It shows her dedication to acting and how far actors go to make their roles feel real. Her efforts made the series more authentic and enjoyable for viewers.